Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This customer has called me. This chilla door broken, and it's not automatic closing, and sometimes fall down itself. So today I'll show you how to fix it. See this door. It's not first of all. It's not closing automatic. See, I kept it open, and it's open only. It should automatic close by itself, and its main reason is broken there. See, it has broken there, and customer said it's fall down. Sometimes it's fall down also. So we have to fix this. So at first we have to remove the door. This door we have to remove it. There are two screws. Just remove these two screws. Yeah, dear viewers, we have removed. See, it has broken there, so that's why it's not working properly. So easy way to fix it. See, we have to put extra tin, same like this. You have to cut. Last time they put glue not to fall down, that's why they keep some of glue. So we have removed the glue, and by tin, by refit machine or by screw, you have to hold it. But by refit machine it's working more good, but if you want you can put a screw also. So see, dear viewers, almost we have done our job. So you have to we have to make it here hole, one hole for holder, this hole for this. Okay, dear viewers, after that we have fixed there. Then finally we'll check. See, alhamdulillah, it's working fine. See, if you open it, automatic close. So it's now strong. Finally it has done, alhamdulillah. Salam.